Hi, this is Linda AMANArts. Welcome to my world. Over here in Idaho today, Idaho Falls, it's really hot, so I decided to come out and show you how I made dinner tonight. So this is a solar oven. This one's called a solar cook, and we've got dinner in here. I'll explain how it works. So think of the outside chamber here of being like a greenhouse. It's holding the extra heat, and then when I take this off, the inner pot that is always going to be dark, ooh, that's hot. The inner side needs to be dark, and inside it's going to be hotter. So the outside chamber was about 150 degrees. The inside here is over 250, where we've got the thermometer. We just took it out a minute ago, but we put it into the chicken, and we could read on our little, it's like a little barbecue thermometer, so we could tell that the chicken is not only done, but how hot it is inside the chamber. So this is all very hot. Tonight we have chicken thighs with asparagus and tomatoes, garlic, and zucchini pretty much in there, carrots and everything in there. And then I'll show you how this works. So in the beginning of the day, as the sun moves, what you want to do is have this little sundial. You move the mechanism here to have the sundial be as close to no shadow as possible. So let me show you how that works. I'm going to take these clips off. As I move this down, you'll see that the shadow got larger. It moved back. So if I want it perfect, I need to move the whole solar oven and the sides. Now you can see the shadow is gone. So this is at perfect place if I was continuing to cook. This would be exactly like a crock pot. For any meal you want to make in a crock pot, you would do in this solar oven. So right now it's just a sliver. In fact, if I go a little bit more, the shadow's gone. So that's perfect. So today in the morning it was all the other direction, because as the sun comes across, to get it to be perfect, it would be a different position. But it doesn't have to be perfect to continue cooking. So what I did is I've changed it twice today. Noon is where it's going to come the straightest, hottest sun, and then I've moved. So I've only had to move it a couple times, because if a little shadow's there, it's just fine. So anyway, dinner is done. We didn't have to heat up the house. Everything is free by just putting it out, and free energy, and dinner's ready to have. Enjoy.